Having trouble verifying your YouTube channel, not receiving the verification code, or seeing phone number verification errors? In this video, I'll show you the official YouTube verification process and some common troubleshooting steps that may help fix verification issues. Let's get started. Before we begin, verifying your YouTube channel unlocks important features like custom thumbnails, longer uploads, live streaming, and advanced channel features, so it's definitely worth setting up. Open your browser and go to youtube.com/verify. Make sure you're signed into the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. If you are signed into the wrong account, verification may not apply to the channel you are trying to use. Next, choose your country. Then select how you'd like to receive the verification code. You can choose SMS text message or an automated phone call. Enter your phone number carefully. Double-check the country code and make sure the number can receive calls or text messages. Then click Get Code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it on the verification page. If everything goes correctly, YouTube will confirm that your channel has been verified. One of the most common problems is not receiving the verification code. If that happens, try these steps. Check that your phone number was entered correctly. Make sure your signal is working. Wait a few minutes, then try requesting a new code. You can also switch between SMS and phone call verification. Another common message is too many attempts. This usually happens when multiple verification requests were made within a short period of time. In many cases, waiting before trying again may help. Some users may see messages such as "this phone number can't be used." If that happens, double-check the country code. Make sure the number can receive SMS messages and verify that you're using the correct phone number. If the issue continues, you may need to try again later. Sometimes verification succeeds, but features like custom thumbnails, live streaming, or advanced features don't appear immediately. This can be normal. Some features may take a little time before they become available. To confirm everything is working properly, open YouTube Studio, go to Settings, Channel, Feature Eligibility. This page shows which features are currently available on your channel. Remember that verification only confirms ownership of your channel and unlocks certain features. Verification does not guarantee eligibility for every YouTube feature, and some features may have additional requirements. Always follow YouTube's official policies and guidelines. And that's it. That's how to verify your YouTube channel and troubleshoot some of the most common verification issues. If you are still seeing an error, leave a comment below and tell me exactly what message you are getting. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.